The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तयानस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन गौरी मनोहर हे नटराजा गौरी मनोहर हे नटराजा शिव शिव शंकर हे शिवराजा शिव शिव शंकर हे शिवराजा गौरी मनोहर हे नटराजा पावन चरिता पाहि महेशा पावन चरिता पाहि महेशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा करुणामया प्रभु हे जगदीशा करुणामया प्रभु हे जगदीशा गौरी मनोहर हे नटराजा शिव शिव शंकर हे शिवराजा पावन चरिता पाहि महेशा पाहि महेशा हे जगदीशा करुणामया प्रभु हे जगदीशा करुणामया प्रभु हे जगदीशा गौरी मनोहर हे नटराजा। करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन
दुख भंजन
भंजन
दुख भंजन साईरा।
दुख भंजन साईरा।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
दुख भंजन श्रीरा। दुख भंजन साईरा।
दुख भंजन साईरा।
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा।
शाप विमोचन
शाप विमोचन
दुख भंजन श्रीरा।
भंजन श्रीरा।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
नानक यीशु तेरे नाम।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
पर्तिपुरीश्वर दीन दयाघन।
दुख भंजन श्रीरा।
भंजन श्रीरा।
दुख भंजन साईरा।
भंजन साईरा।
करुणा सागर प्रेम स्वरूपा ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः 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 शिव शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर महादेवा 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 ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः 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 डम 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 डमरू बाजे डम 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 डमरू बाजे डम 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 डमरू बाजे डम डम डमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे हर हर महादेवा 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 हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः 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 शिव शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः शिव हर हर हराय नमः हर हर शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर महादेवा 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 हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा डम 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 डमरू बाजे डम 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 डमरू बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे धिमि तक मृदंग बाजे हर हर महादेवा 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 हर महादेवा हर हर महादेवा नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई साई मेरा जीवन सहारा साई मेरा जीवन सहारा साई मेरा सब है अंधेरा। तेरे बिना साईं सब है अंधेरा। पार करो मेरी जीवन नैया। पार करो मेरी जीवन नैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साईं कन्हैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साईं कन्हैया। साईं है जीवन, जीवन सत्य साईं। साईं मेरा जीवन सहारा। साईं है जीवन, जीवन सत्य साईं। तेरे बिना साईं सब है अंधेरा। पार करो मेरी जीवन नैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साईं कन्हैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साईं कन्हैया। साईं है जीवन, जीवन सत्य साईं।
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
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 श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण
श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण
श्यामल घन श्यामल मेघ श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
श्यामल घन श्यामल मेघ श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण
श्यामल घन श्यामल मेघ श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
श्यामल घन श्यामल मेघ श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण
श्रीधर नंद यदुवर भव भय हर गिरिधर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर भव भय हर गिरिधर कृष्ण
श्रीधर नंद यदुवर भव भय हर गिरिधर कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
कोमल कृष्ण
श्यामल घन श्यामल मेघ श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी
श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर नंद यदुवर भव भय हर गिरिधर कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी श्रीधर यदुवर कृष्ण मुरारी श्यामल कोमल कृष्ण मुरारी
साई साई स्मरण करो साई साई स्मरण करो गुरु चरण कमल ध्यान करो गुरु चरण कमल ध्यान करो साई साई स्मरण करो केशव माधव भजन करो केशव माधव भजन करो चरण कमल ध्यान करो,
चरण कमल ध्यान करो।
साई साई स्मरण करो,
साई साई स्मरण करो।
केशव माधव भजन करो,
केशव माधव भजन करो।
सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो,
सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो।
श्री सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो,
श्री सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो।
साई साई स्मरण करो।
गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, गोविंद गोपाल उदय निहारी, गोपाल उदय निहारी, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा, उदय विहार बड़ा चित चोरा, उदय विहार बड़ा चित चोरा, गोपाल उदय विहारी, गोविंद गोपाल उदय विहारी, गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा, नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा, उदय विहार बड़ा चित चोरा, उदय विहार बड़ा चित चोरा, गोविंद गोपाल प्रभु गिरिधारी, प्रभु गिरिधारी।
ओम तत्सत् श्री नारायण तो पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिद्धबोध तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तू, सविता पावक तू, ब्रह्मवस्त तू योग शक्ति तू, यशोदा प्रभु तो
व्योमा अमृतं गमय
Om Shri Sai Ram. In his discourse on the 21st of November 1985, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba gave 10 guiding principles that should govern our lives. Join me in reciting these 10 guiding principles. Number 1. Love and serve your country. Do not be critical of others' countries. 2. Honor and respect all religions as pathways to God. 3. Love all humanity as part of your family. Know that humanity is a single community. 4. Keep your home and surroundings clean. 5. Help the needy with food, clothing, and shelter. Help them become self-reliant. 6. Be examples of honesty. Do not participate in any activity such as bribery or corruption. 7. Curb jealousy, envy, and hatred. 8. Develop self-reliance. Become your own servant before proceeding to serve others. 9. Adore God, abhor sin. 10. Observe your country's laws and be an exemplary citizen. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy and peaceful. The announcements for this week are as follows. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day. And if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the National Devotional Coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's grace, we now have loaned out 64 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs to be loaned out, thereby spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do contact your regional Go Green champion for further details. Online Vedam Chanting. Vedam Chanting is held at 5 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. every day. A link has been sent out with the national communications. Please do take advantage of this amazing opportunity to learn and recite these sacred texts. National Educare Conference. In celebration of the 100th birthday of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa warmly invites you to a transformative 2-day National Educare Conference themed The Inward Journey. The conference will occur on the 22nd and 23rd of February 2025 and will be hosted in KwaZulu-Natal. We pray that you have a blessed and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Love is God. Live in love.
Sai Ram. Welcome to an episode of Oh My Sai. I was born into a Sai family where Swami, the doctors of all doctors, had cured my father from an illness when he was really young at a time where my grandparents thought they would lose my father. And being born into a Sai family, I've been attending bhajans since I was a child, and they've become a part of my life over time. It started off mechanically with me attending bhajans every week, and initially I had liked the music. I would pick up an instrument or two and I would just sing along in the chorus. But as time passed, I noticed that bhajans had such a positive impact on me that it made my connection with Swami stronger. I've always considered bhajans to be the link between me and Swami, and vice versa. I was always keen to become a Sai student. When I had finished school, I was really desperate to join Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning. And I had given the entrance test, and I thought that because it was 2012 and it was a year after Swami had left his physical form, that I would be a shoo-in if I had done my entrance test well. I gave my entrance test. I realized that I did not do well at all. And to my surprise, my name had turned up in the interview list. And I was completely taken aback. I didn't think I would make it to the interview. So naturally, I gave the interview. I had to answer very difficult questions because I had to understand the process of how difficult it was to actually become a Sai student. Or so I thought. Once the interview was done, I realized that I had been put on the waiting list, and I was the first name on the waiting list. So if any one student had turned down the offer to join, I would get the seat and I would become a Sai student. Because I didn't get the seat, I was so disappointed and I didn't know how to take my education forward. So my parents had to take a tough call, and we had all decided that I should pursue my education elsewhere. So I decided to take up a chartered accountancy course in Singapore, and I thought I would pursue that and get through that and then somehow stay connected to Swami either through bhajans or Bal Vikas or some other medium where I could make sure that I would be of help to someone, or I could help connect with Swami and connect with Swami myself as well. So I spent some time studying. I made sure that I would get all my checks done. I would make sure that I would attend bhajans every week. And with that, I then realized that I was in a very tough spot very early on. For a few years, I had encountered nothing other than failure. Every exam I gave, I would only fail. I was so disappointed because I was working very, very hard. I used to study through the night, I used to study in the morning, and naturally the course being a difficult one threw so many challenges at me. And I was at a point in time where emotionally I thought I was broken. But I never showed it, and I was always surrounded by good friends and I was surrounded by Sai families. So it helped me get through that moment, but not without a cost. Emotionally, I was so broken that I was yearning for a stronger connection with Swami. So then I turned back to the only thing I knew, bhajans. So I had to move from Singapore because it was creating a financial burden and I didn't want to continue there while I was encountering failures after failures. So I moved back to Hyderabad. And without my knowledge, I had reached out to some Sai brothers and they told me that I should attend bhajans at Shivam in Hyderabad, which is such a blessed place where Swami has physically been present and given darshan to so many people. When I had joined the Shivam Bhajan group, the group was so welcoming to me. They treated me like family. And without my knowledge, I had already gotten an opportunity to be a part of my very first Parthi Yatra with the Shivam Bhajan group, which was in April 2017. I had come to Parthi with the group. I didn't know how these Parthi Yatras were because it was a new experience for me. Prior to this, I would only visit Puttaparthi once a year during my summer vacation, have darshan of Swami and go back. It became a bit of a routine. So this Parthi Yatra experience was something that was very special for me and very new as well. I was unaware that you get a chance to sit so close to Swami's Sannidhi. It was something that was very emotional for me, but at the same time very overwhelming. I enjoyed that presence. I enjoyed that moment so much that all I cared about was being present over there. I wasn't looking for an opportunity to offer a bhajan. I wasn't looking for anything. I wasn't looking for any sign from Swami. I was just so happy to be there with the group and praying to Swami throughout. Little did I know that after this Parthi Yatra, a lot of things in my life would change, and for the better. The following year, I had managed to clear 8 papers of my course, and I had become what they call an ACCA affiliate. And I didn't know that this was going to be my OMS moment. I didn't know that the Parthi Yatra the previous year would be a turning point in my life where Swami would give me the strength to deal with so many different things. After failing continuously for over 3 years, suddenly I had progressed so far academically that when I had finally arrived at my OMS moment, I didn't even know that it happened. I wasn't really so overwhelmed by that. I took it a different way, that Swami made sure that in his timeline, I would do what I was supposed to do when I was supposed to do it. And that was where my academic progress happened. Following that, I took a decision where I moved back to Hyderabad for good. I made sure that I wouldn't miss bhajans with the Shivam Bhajan group. I made sure that every week I would go for bhajan and just pray. Just tell Swami, Samasta Lokha Sukhino Bhavantu. That was all my prayer was. I was just so content that things were moving on in life, academically and professionally. And coming off of so much failure, I was certain that the only thing that helped me get through all of this was the power of bhajan and the power of Swami's connection. In your lows, that's the time when you want to stay closest to Swami. And in your highs, you have to make sure that you don't take that connection for granted. So this is how, through the power of bhajans, I had an opportunity to come on so many Parthi Yatras with the Shivam Bhajan group. I had a chance to deepen that connection with Swami, and I still continue to make sure that bhajans are the only way where I feel like I can cry to Swami, I can shout out to Swami, I can celebrate with Swami, and I can tell him that, I'm so happy and content, and I'm so thankful and grateful that he's always with me. So at my darkest times, I would always think about this one particular bhajan. Daya karo, kripa karo, Partishwar Sai Deva. We want Swami's daya, we want his kripa, and we want to make sure that he's always with us, guiding us and deciding in his timeline when we are supposed to do what we are supposed to do and when we are supposed to receive whatever we are supposed to receive. And this is how I was certain that my connection with Swami was one that lasts forever. And I'm so thankful for all the opportunities Swami has given me to take my life forward and to make sure that I can stay connected to him through the power of Namasmarana in bhajans. Sai Ram.
जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी सत्य साई हरि भक्त जना संरक्षक शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।